Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure power is stable and connections are solid. Charge both transmitter and car batteries fully, then plug in and visually confirm connectors and polarity. Once done, inspect servos, motor, antenna, and fasteners for loose parts. Tighten as needed to prevent mid-run failures. Power the transmitter first, then the car. This prevents accidental throttle spikes. Finally, note LED status codes. They tell you whether binding is needed or if firmware needs attention before you continue. You now bind and calibrate the system so controls match motion. Enter bind mode on the transmitter, then power the car in its bind state until LEDs indicate a successful link. Once bound, calibrate throttle endpoints to ensure neutral stops the motor, and set steering trim and dual rate for predictable turns. Secure and route antenna and motor wires away from interference. Electromagnetic noise causes twitching. After adjustments, do a careful short-range range check. Walk with the car while watching response so you confirm reliable control. You finish by validating performance and securing final settings. Start with a low-speed shakedown. Drive forward, reverse, left, and right while watching for binding, dead zones, or servo jitter. Make mechanical adjustments. Tighten chassis screws, verify battery straps, and check balance to avoid rollovers. If you encounter problems, follow a single troubleshooting path. Rebind the system first, then swap batteries to isolate power issues. Finally, inspect ESC programming and the servo for faults. That order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.